I am here today also because of the possible passage of the HB87, and while some are concerned of the economic depression, putting the blame on documented immigrants. Implementing laws and programs that are based on discrimination only brings negative outcomes. Cobb County, with 2 pending lawsuits right now, with it also claiming that they have captured and arrested thousands of criminals. If you see the numbers, if you see this, if you go to the sources and you see the Immigration Policy Center describe that most of these people have been detained under minor traffic violations. If you go, and I would like to invite you, Mr. Chairman, to go with me to all out the state, out of Atlanta, the area of Atlanta, and you will see that cities do not have any kind of agreement with 287G or Secure Communities program. They are detaining for minor traffic violations, and they are processing people for deportation. This is something that is not authorized, but is permissive. It's this climate that is, everybody is like, you go outside and you're living like in the Wild West. We don't understand exactly what's going on. We are not follow the agreements or the legal procedures that we are discussing right now.
So I would like to mostly talk about E-Verify today. We provide interpreters to 12 school districts around Metro Atlanta, one of them being Cobb County. Cobb County said, you know, in order to work with us, we need you to sign up for E-Verify. And I said, absolutely, I understand. So we opted into the program, started to work on that, you know, ran new hires through, but they said, no, you need to actually put your contract interpreters through. And I said, but it's only for employees, right? And they said, no, we're requiring that this is for contractors as well. So I called up, you know, the feds and talked to them, and they said, what is Georgia talking about? That's crazy. No, this is intended for employees only. And so this was a back and forth, spending weeks of my time on this silly thing that really slowed down our whole process and put us on hold, basically putting interpreters out of work, people losing services and not gaining equal access to their educational rights in the school district, as well as my time, which means all of the other people that we serve, and we serve over 7,000 people a year.
With HB87, I hate to say this, I feel like I've been sent back in time to the years of the 50s and 60s. Illegal alien. It's hateful, and it's not used in the federal documents for the I-9. It's unauthorized alien. So take it out, change it to unauthorized alien if you're going to be consistent with federal law. This is taking words out of a larger context. I've got here Federal Code Against Interstate Trafficking, which is a page before the page, this part here, that has all the in-state arrests. It's not love, and it's incredibly taxing, and it's anti-Christian. To have local law enforcement arrest or intimidate those of us who love our neighbors, give them a ride to church and hospitals, and maybe assist them like many church charities do, like I do. And what about MARTA and taxi drivers? Are you going to arrest them too? Lock us all up for a month? Fine us $1,000? And take away my 1998 Saturn car with 177,000 miles? I don't think the police will particularly want my car, especially with a no racial profiling sticker and a no SB 1070 on the bumper.
This bill has huge problems, regardless of the effect it may have on the economy, regardless of the issues that deal with the big problem of undocumented immigration in America. The title of this bill is the Illegal Immigration Reform and Enforcement Act. But it's not going to reform illegal immigration, and it's not going to effectively enforce any differently than current state or federal law, any of the laws that we're dealing with today. But what is missing from this bill is the fiscal note. Where is the required fiscal note? Where is the note that says how much this bill is going to cost? A virtually identical bill to this, another Arizona-style bill in Utah, just went through their fiscal process this week. And the state of Utah found, a state that's third to size in population, and which only has 29 counties, found that it would cost that state $11 million to comply with that law.